In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your profile photo in the LinkedIn mobile app. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From your home page, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. That takes you to your profile area where you can see your current photo. If you notice a small plus sign over the picture, tap it. If the plus sign isn't there, tap your profile icon to go to your full profile, tap the photo again, choose View or Edit Profile Photo, and then tap Update Photo. You'll see two choices: take a new photo with your camera or upload one from your gallery. Because LinkedIn is a professional platform that requires real identities, pick a clear, recent image of yourself. Aim for natural light, like near a window, and a simple, uncluttered background. Wear something you'd be comfortable meeting a client or colleague in, and keep your expression friendly and approachable. Avoid heavy filters or group shots so people can immediately recognize you. After you select the image, you'll land in the editor. Use the crop tool to center your face, ideally framing from your shoulders to the top of your head. Pinch to zoom if you need a tighter crop, and trim away anything distracting around the edges. You can apply a filter, but keep it subtle so the photo still looks like you. If the image is dark, raise the brightness. If it looks flat, increase contrast slightly. And if colors feel off, adjust saturation so skin tones remain natural rather than overly warm or cool. Next, choose who can see your profile photo. LinkedIn provides visibility options. First-degree connections limits it to people you're directly connected to. Your network includes people up to 3 degrees away. All LinkedIn members allows anyone signed in to see it. Public makes your photo visible on or off LinkedIn, including in search results. If you want to be easily discoverable, choose Public or All LinkedIn members. If you prefer more privacy, select first-degree connections or your network. You can change this anytime. When everything looks good, tap Save. LinkedIn will process your changes and update your profile photo automatically. Give it a moment to refresh, then visit your profile to confirm it appears crisp and professional. If something seems off, maybe the crop is too tight or the lighting isn't flattering, repeat the process and try a different version until you're happy with the result. That's it. Your profile photo is updated on the LinkedIn mobile app. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads.